leader of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, former President Jacob Zuma, has stated that they are going to the Electoral Court to seek an order declaring the 2024 elections as unfair, and for the court to declare that the president must hold new elections. Umkhonto weSizwe, the third biggest party in South Africa, and the Economic Freedom Fighters, the fourth largest party in South Africa, have formed an alliance known as the Progressive Caucus. This alliance, made up mainly of left-wing leaning parties, serves as means of holding the so-called Government of National Unity accountable. Since for the first time in more than 2 decades, the ruling party finds itself without opposition. Despite tackling the issue of the possibility that the elections were rigged, they will also play a role in ensuring that the voice of the black child is heard, considering how the current government of national unity compromises the needs of the people in favor of the market. Do you think the elections were fair? Do you agree with former President Jacob Zuma that the government of national unity will prioritize the market over the people? And what do you suggest?
Shooting shots and they miss, they can never handle this. Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this? I'm